mandixelele into yoba uTrump uxolela ukuvala iStrait of Hormuz in order to open iStrait of Hormuz. Kaloku thina sigqibele after i-negotiations zifelishwa ke phofu zinto ezimbini engabe ziyizibala. Into yoba i-Iran ithe do ayikwazi kunikeza nge-control over eyase-Strait of Hormuz over to i-USA. Eyesibini into hayi bayikwazi kubapha i-assurance yoba abazuqhubeka nenuclear bona beyi-Iran. Okay, zaphele lapho i-negotiations bahamba base-USA. Seva kusithiwa kanti uthi uTrump uzobloka kwa-esa Strait of Hormuz ngongathi uthi if I can't pass there nobody else will. If I can't get what I want, nobody else is going to get what they want. Ngongathi usho njalo. So uzothumela i-navy yabo into yoba iyobloka lanto. Hayibo sithe sisachiva lonto leyo kwathiwa kanti i-Iran ithi nje bazekekhe nje bayenze lonto leyo neziphi navy ships zabo ama-warships zabo wabo azaza pha bazawudila nawo decisively because izawube babreaker le ceasefire engabi sekhona. Those inteka sathula samamela seva kuthi hayi ithi iChina ezazo imikhumbi yabo bona izodlula pha elizabe escothwe iNavy as if bathi nje kuTrump I dare you uzuzithathe nje zami. But ke ngoku it gets confusing lento yakhe yokuvalana nale Strait of Hormuz as if ufuna ukupanisha okanye masithi iIran those okuzapanisheka ezinye uyayibona into challenge even ezinye countries because countries is they going to run at a loss and zifuna ukudlula zona pha nebezingachaphakeli incama bazazibona nje bechaphazelwa leligazi lapha kulanto yala Strait of Hormuz because I mean iChina uba kuvela amagama afana nalayo into banje ezethu zizawudlula pha it means bazawudlula okanye i-USA yenze lonto efuna ukuyenza masithi okanye nge-ships zabo ni aware uba kuzabe kuyimfazwe because i-China bafethu ayonzango. Even i-former prime minister yase-Hungary uChagwa himself wathi kuzo zonke imfazwe abake bazilwa ne-China hayi bafethu abalipopa balenza ixesha. So andiyazi lento uTrump nyana akafuna ukuyenza ngapha kwayona iIran ke phofu ibethe idolo phansi ithi nje uxolela ungidezi. Hayi ke uTrump beke ne live nje recently usafuna nje ukubreaka nje ngento obona into obubreaka ngento eshiyela ixesha as if bona abani bayibulele yonke iNavy yase-Iran bona be-USA akuseseka babulele zonke leaders zakhona phofu leaders thina sizibonile beziyo negotiate pha talking about leaders since beziyo negotiate ePakistan kukhona into ibike yavela into ngathi azizubuya ncama okanye azikabuya incama eIran zisabela impilo zazo ngongathi bokukhona i-threat beyivelile ezifu bokuthiwe nje iplane yabo nje ingathi bazoyiqhuqhushumbisa yakhona nje into ethi nje abakazusuka ngokuphika icala lasePakistan yenye yento bendlibele futhi ukuyimenshina. So kuyo yonke lento lena. Okay, let's come back to le umcimbi wale Strait of Hormuz. Mosi according to Trump uthi uzobloka ezinye ikhona iyavakala into ethi hayi ezinye ezingenyanto kwenza neoil yase-Iran zizakwazi ukugqitha meaning iIran sezayenza imali obe andithi ezizigqitha mele zibhatale it's like i-toll gate ngoku masithathe njalo la Strait of Hormuz mele zibhatala lapha ku-Iran zisezayenza mosi uba ixazi manje zigqitha zimane zibhatala lapha ku-Iran ufuna ukuyipanisha ngeyiphi indlela le Iran because I mean the last time we checked thina bokusiliwa bebebhomana bebethini ngoku icaca into bingathi into eseyibanga inokwenza nomcimbi weoil and inokwenza nala Strait of Hormuz and iIran ithi nje do. And the other thing ngoku eseyivela zininzi ngathi countries ebekungama allies nje ama-allies are strong awe USA asawephule out athi nje wona awayingeni lento kaTrump. So I wonder nje ba iyawuzala nkomoni kuTrump because uba ngaba he was playing the game, it looks like the game is now playing him.
As you know, at 10 o'clock tomorrow, we have a blockade going into effect. That'll be 10 o'clock tomorrow. Other nations are working so that Iran will not be able to sell oil, and that will be very effective. But what we want to do is we want to, and again, we don't need it. What we notice and what we see and what I think is maybe my idea, maybe not, I don't know. But there are many boats heading toward our country to fill up with oil and then go and take it. So they're not going to go through the Hormuz Strait. Oh, I don't know. I don't care if they come back or not. If they don't come back, I'm fine. Their military is gone. Their missiles are largely depleted. The manufacturing capability for missiles and drones is largely defeated. We've been very nice. We haven't ripped down too many bridges. We did one only because they broke their word. They broke their promise. I think Iran is in very bad shape. I think they're very desperate. We had a meeting that lasted 21 hours. We understand the situation better than anybody, and Iran's in very bad shape. And just so you understand, Iran will not have a nuclear weapon. Will not have. There is no way that they're going to get. They still want it, and they made that clear the other night. Iran will not have a nuclear weapon.
I think it's failure to think that anybody can beat China. It's impossible. If we think that we can destroy them or beat them or something like that, we misunderstand the situation. So they are back as they were 500 years ago, prior to the dominating period of the West. You know, China was always the most ancient and most successful civilization.
All of its war games against China, we lose every time inside the Pentagon war games. We know what our real capability. You see, we didn't even get to this part of the war on warriors. I mean, the military-industrial complex, the way we procure weapon systems. You know, we're always, the way our system works, the way our bureaucratic system works, where the speed of weapons procurement works, we're always a decade behind in fighting the last war. Whereas China, we have, you know, what did Rumsfeld say? You go to the war, the army you have. We have the army. China's building an army specifically dedicated to defeating the United States of America. That is their strategic outset. Take hypersonic missiles. So if our whole power projection platform is aircraft carriers and the ability to project power that way strategically around the globe, and yeah, we have a nuclear triad and all of that, but a big part of it. And if, you know, 15 hypersonic missiles can take out our 10 aircraft carriers in the first 20 minutes of a conflict,